we're off the hush puppies.
These are good.
I don't know if it's even recording. Oh, what? Recording. Do you like hush puppies? Do you like them?
No.
Dig into some of this shrimp.
Alright. Oh my gosh, it has a leg. It's a leg.
Burn my fingers.
Yeah, me too.
It's not really like spicy or anything.
Why do you keep thinking I don't like spice? Where did you get that from? Yes, thank you. It's hard with the gloves.
Lobster tail. Oh, here's lobster tail. Got lobster tail in there.
How do you?
How do you what? This is potatoes.
How do you eat this?
Oh, you just take it out. So, hold on.
I've never eaten this before.
Just kind of just feel it out. It's like the best part. There's some in there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's good.
Like this?
Yep.
Okay.
Good, decent, right?
Tastes like the shrimp.
It all kind of tastes the same.
It's not that spicy. But it's a good spice.
It's kicking in.
It's good, yeah.
It's like comfortable.
Oh, it's good though.
This little track thing.
Isn't there supposed to be another corn?
Yeah, right here. Right there. There.
Oh. Oh snap, we got two things of crab. You know I love me some corn.
Roasted lentils.
save the corn for last. Alright, let's see. This is our first time like eating something like this together.
Yep.
That's why I wanted to record it. Or I don't know what it sounds. Don't they usually have like a stick or something?
Yeah.
Oh man, but it's so good. Maybe if you use the bottom part. Never mind. Bro, it's the best thing ever.
Ain't no monkey stop me. Just call me.
Oh, I'm sorry, Brad. I feel bad. Okay, I get that. Oh. Brad.
Are these the eggs?
Mm-hmm. This is so good.
Can you crack me open, bro?
Can I get the...
Sorry about that.
Filled more with bread.
Just get some potato. Oh, my bad. It's up here, potato. My bad. That's
That's
right.
fine. I'm good with that.
Get a good bite here.
Oh my gosh, the seasoning is so good. Yeah. I mean, I do too. I'm sure. Yes, clean. Thank you.
All my legs, they move, man. All my legs open that.
Oh, excuse me?
All my butt.
You get one each, bruh. You just ate all yours. What is wrong with you? Hello? Yeah, some of the skinnier ones are pretty empty.
You still think don't stop your phone, but they say I should hit you, bro.
Wait, is this mine? Where's your head? Where's your thing? Here.
So this is the best piece I had all day. It's sad.
It's what?
It's sad.
What do you mean? It's not, I mean, there's a lot on the thing.
Here, have this piece. I know you want that piece.
No, I already had mine. I have my head here. So frustrating. Can't open it. Huh?
You have it all over your face. They're on your cheek.
You have it all over your beard.
Yeah, but you have it on your cheek.
You can have my potatoes and my eggs.
I already had this. You can have this. I already have this.
No. Money all the hush puppies.
I do this some sort of turkey.
How do you break these? These tiny ones. You're really good.
I eat that.
Here.
No, not that.
How do you do it so that it...
The egg is so random.
It is.
How's your hair on the way?
Yeah.
What happened to this one?
It's on my hair, but I didn't do it tight enough because I didn't want to like pull my hair. So it came off. You can even have more of my shrimps if you want.
It's refreshing. The egg is so random. I try to eat with the seasoning. It doesn't even like. It's not terrible, but. Almost at capacity. Trying to get the seasoning.
I'm pretty much at capacity.
What's been filling me up is like me trying things with seasoning on it. Like me scooping the seasoning on my stuff.
What?
Me trying stuff with seasoning on it is like made me full. Like if you take this, or this part of it, the seasoning.
Oh. You're
like
eating that?
I'm like scooping it, but not my stuff. My face gonna look like my days when I was a teenager after all this oil.
I just don't like the texture of.
Listen. Wait, you can't take this home or something? You can take this shrimp home?
I think so.
Did you take food home when you guys tried it?
I think so. I don't know.
They're taking their food home. In their bag.
Yeah, it's not a buffet.
Alright, well, I'll be very home. was more fun than it was good, but.
Dinner was an experience. I wonder if someone from Europe would come in here and be like, yo, what is this?
No, I think there was a video like some people from England that tried like seafood or something. I don't know if it was like a.
Yeah, but I feel like it's more aware of it.